Do you know what we call a group of actors? Or a group of lions? Or even a group of sheep? In English, we use collective nouns to describe groups. And today, you will learn 20 of the most common ones you will hear in daily life. Let's start with collective nouns for people. Cast. A cast of actors. The cast of the play rehearsed every day. Team. A team of players or athletes. Our team won the championship. Crew. A crew of sailors. The ship's crew prepared for the storm. Band. A band of musicians. The band performed at a festival. Panel. A panel of experts. The panel discussed climate change. Staff. A staff of employees. The hotel staff were very helpful. Class. A class of students. The class visited the museum. Now, let's look at collective nouns for animals. Flock. A flock of birds. A flock of birds flew overhead. Herd. A herd of elephants. The herd moved slowly across the savannah. Pack. A pack of wolves. The pack hunted together. Swarm. A swarm of bees. A swarm of bees surrounded the hive. School. A school of fish. A school of fish darted through the water. Pride. A pride of lions. The pride rested in the shade. Gaggle. A gaggle of geese. A gaggle of geese crossed the road. Now let's look at collective nouns for objects and things. Fleet. A fleet of ships. A fleet of ships entered the harbor. Bunch. A bunch of grapes. She bought a bunch of grapes. Bouquet. A bouquet of flowers. He gave her a bouquet of roses. Stack. A stack of books. There's a stack of books on the desk. Set. A set of tools. I bought a new set of tools. Deck. A deck of cards. Let's play with this deck of cards. Today we learned 20 collective nouns for people, animals, and objects. Remember, these are used as a singular word even though they refer to many things. For example, the team is winning, not the team are winning. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English tips. Don't forget to download your free PDF below.